So guys, let's take a look at our pound USD. If you not subscribed, once again, I want you to actually do so. So you actually keep an update with us on any time we upload, you'll be able to get an update. Let's take a look at our pound JPY. I still believe would open and close bullish. You know, we are doing analysis on the 9th of August. So we would very much open and close bullish. Now, the reason why I said that is that let's take a look at our pound. By the way, we can see that our price came to this level and bounced up, right? It came to this level again and bounced up, and also it is on this level and it's now bouncing up. We can see this our level as a support area here, and we can also take this our eyes as a resistance level when our price got a drop, and it also got a drop, by the way. So if you are to analyze it, we can see that we are actually now on an uptrend move. We can see the higher highs here, a retracement here, and now we are starting to go higher again, and we are having this highs here. By the way, it has broken, you know, this previous highs here, by the way, if you are to see it there. So on this our pound JPY, we are going to be opening and close bullish even for throughout this week. We will very much open, we are going to go bullish this week. Now, another reason why I said we'll be going bullish on our pound JPY is that we are going to sit on our pound index and our JPY index. Now, sit on our pound index on the long-term trend, daily time trend. We are actually on a bearish move. It has actually been dropping, right? And we actually got to this our level here where we saw this push up, it bounced up. It also came to this our level and bounced up, which means it is actually a support area, and it's also came to this our level and it's bounced up, and now it has come to this our level here. We are very much likely to see a bullish move again on our pound index. So once we start having that bullish move on our pound index, we'll very much likely see that bullish move on our pound JPY. And another one is our JPY index. We are seeing the trend, by the way, we are actually on a downward trend. If you have to see long-term trend, we are on a downward trend, and it has actually hit this our resistance level. We can see our price came to this level and fell. It came to this level and fell, and now we can see we've actually got it to this level, and we are very much likely to see a drop at least to this our support area on our JPY index. So once we are having that drop on our JPY index, any pair relating to our JPY will actually be going bullish. So that is exactly what we'll be aiming. Now let's take a look at it on our 4-hour time frame. We can see this downward trend move here. We can see our retracement, right? Another fall, by the way. We'll very much likely get a retracement here, then a fall again. So this retracement, if possibly we have it, I don't believe we'll have it yet, but if we have it, then at least we have about 43 pips, you know, just 43 pips for also have that retracement on our JPY, which means it will go 43 pips bullish before we actually see a drop. So no much movement, by the way, on a bullish move. So we'll be dropping on our JPY index. As we are dropping on that JPY index, we will be seeing a bullish move on our pound index and JPY, which means it is a confirmation that we are now on a bullish move on our JPY index and pound JPY.